Yes, they're finally moving around and playing. The rearranged linens are courtesy of Grandma Cam. But yep. You see, are you gonna chew my toes? You gonna chew my toes? Nope, I'm gonna walk right past them. Don't worry, they do chew on my toes. Yeah. Grandma made a mess in here. Get your sister. Get your sibling. Get your sibling. Oh. See, Grandma and Mommy are both trying to get in there. They're eating solid food and been drinking a little bit. But it's a little hard to get them to drinking water when both Mommy and Grandma keep coming in. So, today, I kept them away for several hours just so they would learn. Hey, Chunky Butt, get up! Somebody asked if they're actually moving around. Oh, here's proof that they're eating. Or climbing in the bowl. So, they're doing good. They're starting to quit being so round. I need to change the sheet for the evening, but I thought since they were playing, you'd want to see it. Get your face fighting. Beasts. Munch, 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 munch. And Sleeping Beauty. Later.